5 seconds to go. Start. They stopped the car in front of school in Modi Nagar and Ram Kishore went to Poonam sales for collection and Pappu Yadav remained seated in the car with the bag containing the collection and some documents. Soon two persons came and snatched the said bag from Pappu Yadav after putting him at gunpoint and escaped on a motorcycle. The appellant was given such information over phone. Later on that day itself, the appellant got registered the above mentioned FIR about robbery and asked for investigation and appropriate legal action in the incident. The materials on record and the counter affidavit filed in this appeal on behalf of the respondent based on such materials would reveal that the initial investigation in case crime number 351 of 1993, hereinafter referred to as the robbery case, found it to be false. However, the supervising officer concerned, viz. The commanding officer Modi Nagar, stopped the closure report and entrusted the case for investigation to another officer. Thereafter, on 17th July 1993, the appellant called Ram Kishore from his house through one of his employees, viz. Jagannath, and took him to the Modi Nagar police station for inquiry. It is only appropriate to extract from the charge sheet dated 21st February 2000 filed by CBCID Lucknow UP in FIR number 371 of 1993 of Police Station Modi Nagar, registered in connection with the custodial death of Ram Kishore, unfolding further the case of the prosecution instead of narrating it. It, insofar as relevant, reads thus: Ram Kishore was illegally kept in the police station by Inspector of Police and Sub-Inspector of Police from 17th July 1993 to 23rd July 1993 night, and by subjecting him to the torture he was kept being interrogated about the said incident. In the night of date 23rd July 1993, on Ram Kishore falling ill, he was taken to MMG Hospital Ghaziabad by Inspector through staffs and jeep, where on 3:20 in the morning he died. He was admitted by the police in the hospital in the name of unknown. After death of the young man Ram Kishore on date 24th July 1993, a complaint regarding death was submitted by the complainant to the Circle Inspector Modi Nagar, raising suspicion about death of Shri Ram Kishore having been caused by the Inspector of Modi Nagar by beating him, on which crime case number 371 of 1993 was registered illegible. As per the post-mortem report dated 24th July 1993, ante-mortem radix cut incision were found on his both the buttocks, and because of the cause of death not having been ascertained, his internal organs were preserved, which was examined on date 3rd January 1995. Poison etc. were ruled out. In the charge sheet dated 21st February 2000, filed in crime number 371 of 1993, the then Inspector of Police and the then Sub-Inspector of Police and the appellant were made accused numbers 1 to 3 respectively for commission of offences under sections 302, 343, 217, 218, 330, 120B and 34 IPC. Stop.